It's connected to you.
Alright, I'm gonna start. Get your favorite brown lip pencil for the brown girls. I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Pencil Crayon from their line Loud collection, and this is in the color Rebel Kind. So I'm just gonna go ahead and outline my lips. This is very important. And I'm just gonna go ahead with a little brush, kind of smooth out the edges. Because I don't want it to look too sharp underneath my other products. Next, I like to go in with like a matte lippy, so I'm just gonna do that. This is a Nigerian brand. I will tag it down below, but this is a matte liquid lipstick. All right, I like to go in with this. And again, I like to use a brush to blend this out, and a little brush. Should look like, and you can do it to your liking. After that, I like to go in with a matte liner right on top. I'm gonna go in with a lip gloss, same shade, but it's just in a lip gloss. Again, put it onto your likings. I'm gonna use a brush, any small brush, doesn't matter. small brush to help me It's looking good. Remember, if you want it more, you can go back in. You could build up on it. Okay. I actually like this. The last step, you want to go in and put you. And that's it. That's my go-to lip combination. Again, I'll just tag all the products that I actually use in the link below, so you can check that out. All right, and that's it. We are all done. I am actually satisfied with this look today. You guys let me know if you like it. But I think I do. Not think, I know I do. For some reason, guys, my nose is tearing up.
Like somebody down, I gon' get bone. Give it, give it.